Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol sa balitang ito dito kay Bitcoin. Ayan, ang kanyang ETF approval sapagkat mukhang ma-approve daw po ito sa buwan ng January. Ayan, next year po, January. Kaya inaasahan po nila na ito ay magdudulot ng catalyst at ito ay magkakatapult. Yan, ito ay magkakatapult at yan aangat sa napakataas na presyong $150,000. Kaya yan, napakataas po niyan kung ganyan po yung impact ng Bitcoin ETF approval. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, potential approval of a US-based Bitcoin ETF by January 10, 2024 may send Bitcoin soaring to $150,000 due to increased institutional demand. Ayan, kakaroon daw ng institutional demand kaya posibleng umakyat sa presyong 150K si Bitcoin. Ayan, kung sakaling na-approve na po ang Bitcoin ETF kung saan ay inaasahan pong mangyayari ito sa buwan ng January. Ayan, January 10, 2024. Next year na po yan. Ayan. BlackRock's involvement in the SEC's positive gestures are promising indicators for the ETF approval, causing a surge in Bitcoin's price. Ayan, yan na nga po yung naranasan natin nitong mga nakalipas na linggo. Yung nagpakita ng nagpapakita ng parang nalalapit na approval ng mga ETF. Kaya nagdulot ito ng price surge kay Bitcoin at yan, naramdaman po natin yan. Kaya marami po ang natuwa at nagsaya sa ipinakitang price surge ni Bitcoin. Approval could signify a significant step towards mainstream crypto adoption, providing a direct link to Bitcoin akin to physical gold-backed ETF. Ayan. The fervor surrounding the potential approval of United States-based spot Bitcoin ETF is reaching a crescendo, with Bloomberg Intelligence estimating a 90% chance of a nod from the Securities and Exchange Commission by January 10, 2024. The crypto market's pulses are racing. Ayan. Talagang sabi rito, the crypto market's pulses are racing. Ayan, parang bumibilis yung tibok ng mga puso ng mga market participants, mga investors, traders dito sa mundo ng cryptocurrencies. Kaya yan, malamang ay isa ka na rin dyan, yung talagang bumibilis, yung parang ibig pong sabihin nito ay parang nagkakaroon na ng interest or parang medyo parang nagugustuhan mo yung nangyayari rito. Yan, o parang hindi ka na makapaghintay na ma-approve yung Bitcoin spot ETF na ito. Kasi alam na natin kung ano ang magiging impact nito. Ayan, yung posibleng maging dulot nito sa lahat ng cryptocurrencies. Kaya yan, the endorsement of such a product could spell a new dawn for Bitcoin's price trajectory, potentially propelling it to $150,000. Institutional demand grows for a Bitcoin ETF. Kaya yan, ito po yung mga malalaking mga investor, mga institutions. The whisper of BlackRock seeding its Bitcoin ETF have sent tremors through the crypto market, subsequently nudging the price of Bitcoin to over $35,000, a figure unseen in nearly 18 months and a stark contrast to Ethereum's 50 year-to-date rise. Yan po yung nangyari kay Bitcoin nitong nakalipas na araw. Talagang marami po talaga ang nagulat dito nung hinit or umakyat ni Bitcoin. Ayan, inakyat ni Bitcoin ang presyong $35,000. Kaya kinagulat po ng marami dyan. The recent surge in Bitcoin's price marked by a 27% uptick in October, signaling a buoyant market. Indeed, this speculation mirrors a broader sentiment that the US is on the cusp of embracing Bitcoin's ETF. This will align with more progressive stance in Canada and Europe. Kaya yan. Ito po yung kanilang chart dito, Bitcoin price performance. Biglang nakikita natin dito na biglang nagkaroon ng price surge dito. Ayan, umakyat po siya at mukhang parang umabot pa siya sa presyong 36,000. Ayan, tapos ayan, medyo bumagsak siya pero ayan, umangat ulit. Ayan, base po ito sa Bitcoin Tether USD perpetual contract ni Binance. The approval could also potentially counter the effects of the recent crypto crackdown, therefore opening a regulated avenue for US firms to venture into the crypto industry. This move could see trading giants like Jane Street, Virtu Financial, and other providing liquidity for BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, further bolstering the market dynamics. Ayan. Yung approval na rin po ng spot Bitcoin ETF ay maaring ito na raw yung tatapos sa paghahabol ng US SEC or mga financial regulators sa mga cryptocurrencies. Kasi ayan, at present, US investors' pathway to Bitcoin exposure remains tethered for futures, options, and other derivatives. Notably, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust or GBTC is a beacon, boosting over $21 billion in assets under management. Yan. However, the allure of ETF with on-chain trading features and liquidity is undeniable. The transition of GBTC to an ETF is a testament to this allure, a move echoed by a slew of other firms like Fidelity, Invesco, and VanEck, all awaiting the SEC's green light. Ayan. Yan na rin po yung mga ibang mga financial institutional firms na naghihintay dito sa go signal ng SEC. Bitcoin price prediction targeting $150. Kaya yan po talagang yan po ang target ng mga analyst dito para kay Bitcoin kung sakaling na-approve ang spot Bitcoin ETF. Yan, aakyat daw ito sa presyong $150,000. Amid this backdrop, the SEC's engagement, notably its non-appeal of a grayscale case outcome, hints a favorable verdict come January. Yan. The ramifications of such an approval are profound. BlackRock's iShare Bitcoin ETF could herald a new era of institutional involvement, potentially creating a supply crunch given Bitcoin's cap production of 21 million. This, coupled with the impending halving event in 6 months, could create a perfect storm for price appreciation. The growing Bitcoin ETF momentum contrasted against the historical performance around halving events, sets a compelling narrative. The narrative of a new cycle where Bitcoin's price could skyrocket to $150,000 by mid-2025 as per Bernstein analyst. Yan po yung na-content natin kanina. Yung analysis ni Bernstein kung saan ay sinabi po niya na yung kanyang prediction naman po rito ay aakyat daw po si Bitcoin sa presyong $150,000 at makakamit po niya ito sa kalagitnaan ng taong 2025. Kaya yan, a convergence of favorable regulatory shift, institutional influx, and intrinsic supply dynamics could catalyze this ascent. Yan, beyond the price implication, accepting a Bitcoin ETF could signify a monumental stride toward mainstream adoption. The direct access to Bitcoin via an exchange-listed instrument, akin to the access to spot gold prices through physical gold-backed ETF is a milestone. It is a leap towards simplifying Bitcoin investment, offering a direct link eagerly awaited by crypto enthusiasts. Sa madaling salita, ay malaki po talaga na parang development dito kay Bitcoin, yung spot Bitcoin ETF na ito. Kaya ayan. However, amid optimism, prudence is paramount as the crypto market teeters on the cusps of potential ETF approval. Investors must tread with diligence, fully aware of the volatility. The journey towards $150,000 is laden with promise and peril, emblematic of the Bitcoin saga. Ayan. Kailangan din po natin na kailangan pa rin natin mag-ingat kasi may risk pa rin dito. Hindi ibig sabihin na maski maganda talaga yung nakikita ng mga analyst rito para kay Bitcoin, ay hindi ibig sabihin ay tiwalang-tiwala na tayo sa magiging outcome nito. And kailangan po natin na mag-take ng risk na rin dito. Yan, dapat ay yan, wag po tayong yung alam natin yung wag natin ibibigay lahat. Yan, kasi yan nga, hindi natin alam kasi may risk na involved pa rin rito. Kaya ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan, ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.